This is the average size of an apartment balcony. We know you love your outdoor living space, but when you add a couple of things like a barbecue, a table, chairs, a plant, maybe a couple friends, things get a little cramped. Hi, I'm Adrian, founder of Railio. What is Railio? Railio is a universal railing bar that turns your cramped balcony into the outdoor living space of your dreams. Each Railio is made with aircraft quality aluminum and powder coated, making it 100% weatherproof. Railio works with any style railing, square or round. The adjustable mounting system means that Railio can snug up on a railing as thin as 1 inch or as wide as 4.5 inches. We're not just building awesome outdoor furniture here, we're also bringing people together. Dave, what were you doing last week?
Not hanging with friends.
And what are you doing this week?
Hanging with friends.
This isn't Kim Kardashian's 30th birthday, but it sure looks like a good party.